Good morning, dear cadets. So we are meeting after a gap of more than 2 months. Okay. So I have been tasked to teach you the chapter number 12, 13, 14 and 16. Okay. 15 I think sir has already completed air chapter. Okay. So now in remaining days, or you can say the months, we will be in the interaction with each other. Okay. So I will hope that whatever things I will teach, you will complete on time. So now the chapter number 12 name is electricity and circuits. Okay. So that is the name of chapter. So let us begin with the introduction of this chapter. Just see, everywhere at your home you might have seen the network of wires, bulb, tube light. Everywhere have you seen or not? So just see, when night is there, they are glowing. In daytime they are not glowing. Correct or not? So just try to understand. Means some device must be there because of which those lamps, those tube light and bulbs, they are glowing. Okay. Button is there, switch is there, so many things are there. Because of that, those bulb means even computer, mobile, whatever things are there, they are working smoothly. Correct or not? So just see, the electricity is one type of energy. One type of energy. So what we can say, electricity is one type of energy, and because of that energy only, devices are working smoothly. So actually what is electricity? Electricity is nothing but a flow of charge through closed path. Okay, through closed path. Closed path is the network of wires. Network of wires, that is only closed path. And now one type of energy is flowing. That type of energy is known as electricity. So the flow of charge through closed path is known as electricity. Okay. Now try to understand. To generate electricity, some device is required. Okay. So those devices are known as cell or battery. So what are the cell? Cell is the device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy and vice versa. Cell is the, what is the cell? Cell is the device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy and vice versa. That is known as cell. Okay. Now try to understand what is battery. Somebody may ask. So the group of cells, when they are connected through opposite terminal, that will become battery. Are you getting my point or not? So there is a very thin line demarcation between cell and battery. Cell is the individual identity and battery is the group of cells. So when group of cells connected through opposite terminals, they are known as battery. So actually what we can say, cell is nothing but a device which convert electrical energy into chemical energy into electrical energy and vice versa. So how many types of cell is there? We'll tell you the meaning of vice versa. Types of cell, there are two types of cell. Electrochemical cell, generally we know this cell only, we don't know this one, electrolytic cell. Correct or not? Cell means this one only, which convert chemical energy into electrical energy, that we are knowing. But in higher class you will study this one also, electrolytic cell. So electrochemical cell, what are the electrochemical cell? It converts chemical energy into electrical energy. It converts chemical energy into electrical energy. That is known as electrochemical cell. And what is the electrolytic cell? Electrolytic cell, it converts electrical energy into chemical energy. Vice versa means opposite. Okay. One type of cell which convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Another cell which convert electrical energy into chemical energy. Okay. So that is electrolytic cell. Okay. I hope that you understood the meaning of vice versa. So as a whole, what is the cell? Which convert chemical energy into electrical energy and electrical energy into chemical energy. Now terminals of the cell. Terminals of the cell. There are two terminals of the cell. First one is the positive terminals, second one is the negative terminals. Okay, and the diagram of cell I told here. Just see, I made here. This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. Okay, so this is all about the cells, electricity and types of cells. Okay, so the preliminary idea about the chapter including introduction you have got. Now just try to understand. The most important device which work with the help of cell is bulb. Okay, small bulb, big bulb. There are so many electrical devices. One by one will explain them. Okay, now in the bulb, what is there? Filament is also attached. What should be the characteristics of those filament? Okay, so now bulb, you might have seen the bulb. Okay, bulb is inside the torch, bulb is there in the houses, bulb is there in the some other electrical devices, isn't it? So what is the bulb? Actually bulb is electricity user device which glow when electricity is supplied through the circuit. Okay, so bulb, I am not talking of size of bulb, but actually bulb is nothing but a electricity user device. Okay, and now if you see carefully inside the bulb, then what is there? One very thin wire is there, and that only glows when electricity is supplied. That wire, thin wire, is known as filament. Okay, and that is supported by the thick wire. Okay, if you see the bulb clearly, then what is there? Thin wire is supported with the two thick wires. Okay, and that thin wire is the only important thing. Okay, so actually this thin wire is known as filament, and it glows when electricity is supplied, and it is made up of one metal that is known as tungsten. What is the tungsten? It is metal. It is metal. Now try to understand here. Sometime we are telling bulb is fused. So what do you mean by fusing of bulb? Okay, so actually fusing of bulb is the state of bulb in which current is not flowing in the circuit. Current is not flowing through the wire, thin wire, that is filament, and in this state it will not glow. So the fused bulb means the state of bulb in which no current is flowing due to breaking of filament. In this state bulb will not glow. Okay, so fused bulb is the state of bulb in which it will not glow. Okay, so what are the possible reason of fusing of bulb? The possible reason of fusing of bulb is sometime what is there? There is a oversupply of electricity in the circuit. So when there is a oversupply of electricity in the circuit, then it will be fused. Similarly, due to destruction of filament of bulb, due to destruction of filament of bulb. Okay, sometime what is there? Due to oversupply of electricity, sometime what is there? Suppose bulb has dropped down or somebody has hit the bulb, so that filament will be broken. In that condition bulb will not glow. Okay, so now that is enough for today. Now this is the time to note down the questions. So first question is, what is cell? What is cell? Okay, second question is, write the types of cell. Write the types of cell. What is the next one? Question number 3. Write the types of cell. And the next one is, how many terminals are there in the bulb? How many terminals are there in the bulb. Okay, next question is, what is bulb? What is bulb? What is bulb? When it is said to be fused. When it is said to be fused. Okay, last question is, what is filament? Question number 5, what is filament? What is filament? Okay, no problem at all. So these are the 5 questions. Their answer you should write. Okay, now remaining thing of this chapter will teach one by one. Okay, like circuit, now insulator. There are so many interesting things in this chapter. We'll try hard to finish in these 3 classes only. So thank you.